You. Hey, here we go, boys.
What do you reckon, Chad?
Oh, it's secret spots these.
Secret spot.
Can't give away too much.
We're gonna be out there.
5 poles here would come.
It's our first time diving the spot. Not really sure what we're gonna get. Don't even know what the reef looks like, to be honest. But I've seen a few guys out and yeah, hoping for some crays. Let's get out there. Boom.
Chaddy just had to go back to the car. Forgot his fin savers. Always something on the list. You have to go double check. Look at that prawn. Look at him. It's like an absolute squid in his wetsuit. Yo, this is super good. Should be easy to see a crayfish. Hopefully there's some around.
Right up against the rocks here in the shallow water. Yeah, I don't know if a lot of people have been diving here, but just small crayfish. Nothing yet.
Nicely done. Really scattered diving. Not a lot on offer. Got 2 crayfish so far. Really close to the rocks. Check this. Oh. Right here on the rocks. Yo.
Yeah, boy.
Got the biggest one there.
Nice.
Got the big one there.
Yo! That's it. That's it.
3 of them.
3. Oh, things are getting better in the shallows here. I got 3 crayfish in one dive. Chaddy's gonna go for some more. Yeah, luck is turning. But we're right in the break zone here. Waves crashing on us. Pretty hectic.
Nicely done. Patience pays off. Nicely done. Right off the side of the rock there.
So sick.
So sick. The last few days of viz, obviously the guys are cleaned up here. Yeah, but still successful. Got about, I don't know, 6, 8 crayfish.
Nice size one.
Yeah, good size as well. So all in all, good effort, and pretty stoked with the outcome. The sun setting over the ocean, beautiful colors.